Bohr's model of atom. According to Bohr, an atom is made up of three particles: electrons negatively charged, protons positively charged. In a neutral atom, number of electrons is always equal to number of protons. That is why atom is electrically neutral. Now, protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus. Because of proton, nucleus is positively charged. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed orbits. We call them energy levels, as each orbit has its particular energy. That is why we call them energy levels. These orbits are named by two ways starting from the nucleus: 1, 2, 3, 4 or Mn. Now each energy level has fixed amount of energy and electrons revolve around the nucleus with that particular amount of energy only. It neither lose nor gain energy when it is present in its particular shell. Change of energy only takes place when it jumps from outer to inner level. So it loses or radiate energy, or inner to outer level it gains energy. Distribution of electron in different shells is according to the formula 2n square, where n is the number of shell. So for the first shell K, as n is 1, so K can fill 2 electrons. L can fill maximum 8 electrons. M can fill 18 electrons. N can fill 32 electrons, and so on. Electrons will fill the inner shells before filling the outer shell. Without completing the shell, it cannot be filled in the next shell. And the last point, maximum capacity to hold electrons in the outermost shell is 8. Having 8 electrons in the outermost shell makes an atom stable. Before doing atomic structure of some elements, let us do first some terms. First of all, let us discuss atomic number. Now, atomic number is number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Because of these protons, nucleus is always positively charged. In a neutral atom, number of proton is always equal to the number of electrons. This term is symbolized by Z, capital Z. Mass number. Total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. The term is represented by capital A. These protons and neutrons together also called nucleons. How can we represent an atom of an element with its atomic number and mass number? Suppose the symbol of atom is X. Its atomic number Z is 11 and mass number A is 23. We can represent that element by writing atomic mass or mass number at the top and atomic number at the bottom. This is representation of an element. Valence shell. The outermost shell is called as valence shell. and the atom and the electrons present in that outermost shell, we call them valence electrons. Now the electrons present in the inner shell, we call them core electrons. Valency. Now valency is the number of electrons lost, gained or shared in the outermost shell or valence shell of an atom. Students, remember, during chemical reaction only number of electrons go a change. Number of protons remain same as they are compactly packed in the nucleus. Protons can take part only in the nuclear reactions. Now, how to draw atomic structure of an atom of an element? For this, first of all, we should know atomic number, then mass number, then number of electrons, protons and neutrons, and then we are going to write, then we are going to count the number of shells, and then we draw shell accordingly and distribute electrons. For example, let us and chlorine. Now sodium has mass number 23 and atomic number 11. 5 and atomic number 17. So first of all, let me write the atomic number. So sodium atomic number 11, mass number 23, number of electron 11, proton 11. How to find the number of neutrons? By subtracting atomic number from mass number. So in case of sodium, number of neutron is 12. Electronic configuration. First shell, 8 in the next and 1 in the outermost shell. So we need 3 shells to distribute the electrons. Let us do. This one is nucleus, fill, proton. 3 shells for sodium. In the first shell, in the second shell, number of electrons are 8. And in the last shell, outermost shell, the number of electrons is 1. This is atomic structure of sodium. Same way say chlorine. Atomic number 17, mass number 35, electron 17, proton 17 and neutrons 18. Electronic configuration 8, 2, 8, 7. So it also need 3 shells. First of all, nucleus with protons and neutrons. Then in the first shell, we have to fill 2 electrons. In the second, 8 electrons. In the third, 7 electrons. So this is how to make atomic structure of various elements. Now, in the next lecture, we will discuss atomic structure of more atoms of elements. Thank you.